Hello. I've been clearing this area underneath the apple tree. My neighbour Mark helped with his mini digger and he scraped all the soil away. It was up to about 2 foot at the base of that tree, which can't be healthy for the tree, so Mark's been very helpful and brought it all down here. Now, so I've been left with about 2 or 3 tons of soil, which is also full, and quite a lot of stones. So I've just invested in this Riddle by Spear and Jackson, and there's a link to that in the description box below this video if you want to buy one, and if you do buy one through that link I will receive a commission. And I've been using this for the last 10 minutes only, and I've filled this wheelbarrow with some lovely fine tilth, lovely soil. There's a pile of stones that have resulted. I just thought I'd demonstrate it and give it a bit of a road test. I'm filling it on the pile because I don't want any stones to leak out into this lovely soil, so I'm filling it up on the pile here. I found that 2 spadefuls is enough, otherwise it just gets a bit too full to lift up, and then you just very gently rotate it backwards and forwards, only by about 5 or 10 degrees, and sooner or later you have some lovely soil underneath and lots of stones. It doesn't deal with big lumps like this. Sometimes you have to go in with your hands and break them up, but a little riddle and that soon falls through. Then you can discard the stones to one side. I'll just show you a few more loads. So I place the riddle on the soil, just go in with my long handle Irish spade, which is also available through my channel, so if you look at the description box below you'll find that as well. And then you just lift it over the wheelbarrow and just start to gently rotate it, very, very gentle, and you can see it very quickly leaks out all the soil beneath, and soon you're left with just stones and some roots. Very happy with that. It's different to a lot of other riddles in the sense that it's really just a plate of stainless steel with square holes made in it, and I don't know if that improves the action, but it certainly seems to let the soil go through quite easily. Let's do another couple of loads. I've got about 3 tons of this to do, which will be about probably 30 or 40 or even 50 wheelbarrows, so I don't intend doing it all in one go, but I am finding this somewhat therapeutic. I don't know if you are watching it, but just the action of shaking it, seeing the soil come beneath, and these stones just miraculously appearing at the top there. There's something quite therapeutic about doing that. I can while away a few hours and do this in batches. I would say a good piece of advice would be to use this when your soil is quite dry. It's going to be twice as heavy if it's wet, and probably less easy to riddle away. The dryness makes it quite workable. I won't do it all in one go. Anyway, hope you found that interesting, entertaining. If you do want one of these, don't forget to look in the description box below this video. And remember, of course, if you do buy one through my link, I will receive a commission, and your support is greatly appreciated. I'll see you soon.